in the paddock in my piece. I'm pushing P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot across the spot. Just for peace. Drop the data, now we plot. Inside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push P. I'm pushing P. I'm capital P. I write the president. Count presidents. Push P. Portuguese on her knees.
We are live.
She let me squeeze. Then she leave. Then she keep the P. Private suite. Privacy.
IJ Tex, you're the first one. Live stream, activate. Crypto crash, what a headline. I mean, we're still in a crash, man. We are still totally in the middle of a crash. We did get some relief, some bounce here. But we are quite literally in a crash. Let me send out my TikTok live notification for all the people in the Telegram. Somebody said not a bear market yet. You're right, but this could have been, looking back from the future, this could have been like the dump that put us into a bear market. But we gotta see if this is, if we're gonna stay like this. I think we might just go sideways, man. Just flat, which would be worse, because it would be worse to go just flat than go down. Because when we're going down, at least people know, okay, we're going down. If we just go flat, it's going to be choppy and chop people up. It's going to like chop you up, chop suey, man. If we go flat, it's never just flat, right? The coin can't just go like flat line. It has to go like choppy in a range. But the overall trend is just flat, you know? That would be bad, because every like 2 weeks people would be saying, yo, is bear market back on? Bull market back on? That's what would happen if we go choppy. You guys understand that? That's a good point to make, because if we go choppy from now on, it's going to be freaking every single day, bear market or bull market. People are going to be screaming. Somebody said everything is going to be all right. Dude, it really will be. It really will be, man. I really think it'll be all right. Did I see the Elon Musk and McDonald's tweet? Yeah, that's cool. I think I'll give you the red pill perspective on it. I think that I think that the McDonald's Twitter account got a new social media manager who freaking, Dason, what up, bro? The McDonald's social media account got a new social media manager, and they're like, yo, how do I blow this up fast? Well, anything you connect to the crypto community, it blows up. Especially if you're a big brand already and you connect those pathways to crypto, it's like, oh, shit, all your numbers are running up. Like, I want to see the Social Blade numbers. We can look at the Social Blade numbers of McDonald's. So that's like the red pill version of why McDonald's has been talking crypto. Also, they came in at the perfect time. If you look at the freaking chart, we legitimately have a McDonald's M being formed. Take a look at this. Look at this. There is a McDonald's M being formed right here. The golden arches. Look. Boom. Boom. And I really do think we're going to complete that, bro. And that's the McDonald's golden arches. So they came in like right at the perfect time. Let's see their Twitter numbers here. See, look at this. Last 30 days, 12,000 followers. Big spike. Look at this. Monthly gained. Actually, the month of May. I wonder what they did in the month of May. But, yeah, the social media managers, bro. But it is cool. And if they accept Dogecoin, that's just going to be like... I mean, what is that going to be? It's just going to be a Dogecoin pump and that's it. Dogecoin relies on bullshit like that to happen. It doesn't have anything real to push it forward. Dogecoin relies on Elon Musk to make headlines. I invest in coins that don't need headlines to pump. They just go up. There was so much... No, I'm eating a blueberry muffin right here. There was so much shit that happened today. Oh my goodness. I'm like, how can you say this is a bear market? There's so much shit that just happened today. Ripple buyback. Facebook DM coin is done. Looks like it's done. They're selling it. They might be abandoning the DM project. I'm going to talk about that in my video tomorrow. It's getting in the way. Let me tell you, it's getting in the way, dude. The Facebook DM project is getting in the way. I think that the Federal Reserve and like the higher ups in the US got in contact with Facebook and are like, what are you doing, Mark Zuckerberg? Stop. Like, we're trying to really launch some good or some shit here. And you're like clouding it all up by like, oh, is Facebook's currency going to compete with the Fed? They want no competition. I think Zuckerberg took a little deal right there, a little deal to shut it off. We have the Ripple buyback. We have OpenSea looking like it's about to work on a Solana integration. Moon, automatic moon. Solana, first of all, will moon off that, if that happens. And Solana NFTs, I think, will do super good off that. Thank you for the magic letter. Wow. But there was so much shit that happened today. The IMF urged El Salvador to remove Bitcoin. I think I posted like 7 TikToks today, bro. I don't even care about the views at all. I just post. Y'all need to know the news. What does moon mean? Moon means like go to the moon. Like rocket ship up. You know? Crypto truly is a different language. Oh yeah, smart contracts on Stellar are coming. So much shit. Hollywood, thank you. Yes, Ripple buyback. I just posted a video on YouTube explaining the entire buyback. And yes, it is valid to say Ripple buyback, because that's what it is. If I was saying XRP buyback, I would be wrong. It's valid, Nick, thank you. It's valid to say Ripple buyback, because that's what it is. That happened today. Izadi, thank you, bro. Karen, what up? Do I know MobiPay? BTC double top. Yeah, honestly, David Schwartz and Mr. Poole, if you know those two from the XRP community, they called the double top. They called the double top. And I was convinced that the double top on Bitcoin, which means like we went to 64K, dropped down, and a couple weeks or months later, we went up to 69K. I was convinced that, because I was stupid. I'm like, oh, it can't be a double top now because the double top was invalidated because Bitcoin went to 69K. Apparently, it doesn't work like that. Double tops are able to still play out if the second top is $5,000 above the first top. You know, so literally double top there. But it's crazy if you're still here in if you're still here in this type of market. Let's go, okay? I'm with you this whole time. My content won't slow up. My content won't slow up. We're going. If you're still here, you know what to do. You know you're smart as hell if you're still here. Is Pi cryptocurrency worth it? No. Izadi, bro. Big love. Will crypto come back? Yes. Always. Look at the chart. Zoom out on the Bitcoin chart. We go up, down, up more, down, up more, down, up more, down. Yes, I am an XRP holder. It is in my top 3 holdings. Are you going to watch the Jerome Powell speech? Yes. Yes, I am. Ever hear about MobiPay? I don't know what that is, bro. Do you think the market will drop more? Yes. I think 30K test is imminent. If that breaks, I don't know where the hell we're going. That 30K test, I think it's really, truly imminent, man. But that is what the masses think, I guess. Like, that is the main... You know, Bitcoin usually does what everybody's not thinking. When does Jerome Powell speak? I thought the FOMC meeting was today, but I haven't seen anything. Let me see. I think that meeting was today. Yeah, I said it was, yeah. I don't know. It's hard for me to keep up with the U.S. whole system, but that's the only one I'm focused on. Izadi, spending bags today. Appreciate you, man. Top 3 holdings right now in my actual portfolio. QNT, hbar, and XRP. I think that's the strongest bets basically on the entire market, bro. Quant, hbar, XRP. Ranked by money. So not like holding. It's ranked by money. So I have the most money in my entire portfolio in quant. Then I have the second most in hbar. The third most in XRP. Do you think Hex is a good investment? It's like this. I'm in a different lane than Hex. Hex just exists over here, and I like to watch it and see what happens. I love Richard Hart, though, because he has taught me a lot so far. Your biggest bag is DAG. Nice. Nice. You got the Constellation Miners coming out. You just sold your... What? Let's see. Make sure y'all are spamming the like button as well. Why don't you talk about VXV? It's kind of dead. Nothing to say about it. Damn, it's up 17% actually today. If you believe that it's going to do well, this is the time to buy right now. My lowest buy-in is $1.50. Or no, $1. But all my buy-ins are between $1 and $3.50. I was very transparent telling you guys that I was going to sell on the KuCoin listing. That means when VXV was going to get listed on the KuCoin exchange, I said, everybody, I'm going to sell some. I'm going to take some profit here, as you probably should when something gets listed on KuCoin. VXV put a wick all the way to $24. I got it at $17. I sold some. I sold about 175 of my VXV, I think. I forget how much it exactly was. YK Dog, thank you. Thoughts on Cardano? A bunch of nothingness, in my opinion. I just don't deal with it. I can't invest in every single one. Izadi, thank you again. Phantom better than hbar. I personally don't think so, but I think they're in different lanes. Phantom is like hbar, but for the people. hbar is not for the people. It's for enterprises. It's enterprise solutions. Enterprise. That's like with people like with XRP, it's like, dude, this is enterprise stuff. It's not about like, I don't know. Phantom used hbar's code. Yeah, there's some similarities in the technology. A little bit. They both use ABFT. They both use ABFT. Asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance. Bunch of nerd stuff that I don't really understand. What headlines am I chasing today? None. The most intriguing headline today is the Ripple buyback. Ripple is buying back. They've bought back shares from their Series C funding round, which was funded by Tetragon. Who is Tetragon? Tetragon is a company that tried to sue Ripple and lost. Ripple won the lawsuit against Tetragon. Now they're buying back the shares. So this either means that this definitely means, in my opinion, that they think their stock is undervalued. They think that their stock is going to moon. Ripple. Why else would they freaking buy more of their stock back? Right? They think it's going to moon. They want to hold more of their own stock. You got to think about this, bro. And I'm using this as an opportunity to put on blast the illusion that XRP is not Ripple. XRP is not Ripple. Get it through your thick skulls. XRP, not Ripple. Ripple is a centralized company. XRP is a decentralized cryptocurrency. Ripple is simply a centralized company that invests on top of and in the XRP ledger. Get it through your skull. Ripple holds 45 billion XRP, which is cryptographically locked on the XRP ledger. They can't take it all, and they can't dump it all. Why can't they do that? Because it's freaking locked, for one. Second, if they did that, it would screw their entire business up. Get it through the skulls, bro. We got 700 people in here. I'm so grateful to be in a position that I can say something like this for Ripple. This needs to be diffused, right? This needs to be diffused. Can it be unlocked? Yes, it can be unlocked, and it does periodically get unlocked and sent to other wallets to fund operations. Lots of cryptos do that. I believe it's a very complicated thing. I believe personally, this is just my personal opinion, that Ripple and XRP are playing such a 5-dimensional chess game that even people, like I saw today, the FTX founder, even he doesn't understand that Ripple's not XRP. Even he doesn't understand that. Even he doesn't understand it. He's confused by the Ripple buyback. Go look at his Twitter. He's literally confused. I think they're playing such a hard chess game. Okay, let's get off XRP. By the way, I just dropped a full 15-minute YouTube video. If you think I'm not bullish on XRP, you're delusional. Go watch that video. I am infinitely bullish. Do you ever feel pressure from so many people looking up to you? No, because I was made for this. I was built for this. So I don't feel no pressure. Also, my life is about balance. I'm not holding myself to some kind of unrealistic spiritual standard. I party. I drink alcohol. I descend sometimes, and then I go back and ascend. People, I feel bad for influencers who hold themselves to a standard of extremely spiritual, never drinking, never, and they do it behind the scenes. Bro, don't do it. My life is about balance, because you can't live without balance, dude. Balance is the whole thing. You're always bullish on XRP, true, but I do shatter illusions sometimes, is what I'd call it. I do tell the truth. That the XRP lawsuit doesn't look too good right now. It's taking a very long time, right? Even the lawyers covering the case have said, yo, SEC is kind of winning right now. Jasmine Coin, I'm not sure on that. I know that they have a bunch of people from Sony, and that's the extent of my knowledge, and it came out of nowhere. Gloaty, thank you. Thoughts on Solana? It's great. I think it's going through some kind of targeted attack right now, trying to tarnish its reputation, because Solana's reputation was way too good. The narrative was way too good on that, way too good. It was positioned perfectly as the Ethereum replacement. I think it needed some kind of, maybe that's just the natural rebounding effect. You know, you go so much to one side that you snap back this side. Even with coronavirus, they're pushing us so much to one side, it's just gonna snap back one day and be I don't know. If this goes on for another 3 years, it's almost guaranteed that we have a 10-year period of just partying, or 5 years of just the biggest concerts and everything. That's the snap back. So I think Solana just got so good that it just snapped back. And now it has this tarnished reputation of Solana is centralized and the network goes down. That's the whole narrative. Oh, XRP Ledger did too. Please show me where the XRP Ledger went down, please. Show me that. DM me that. Are you interested in being our NFT ambassador? No, I'm not. Sorry. Do you think Fuse will one day be $10? Yes. Can you talk about reserve rights? Still need to dive deep onto reserve rights, but it looks good. From the couple times that I've looked over the website, more than a couple, like 6 or 7. Funded by Peter Thiel. That's an automatic stamp of approval from me. Blocktopia. Blocktopia is cool. It's cool. I did one trade. I got like a nice profit on one trade. I decided to trade Blocktopia because it was having these like random pumps. It was having some random pumps. But that thing is 2 cents now. You stuck hodling, man. You stuck hodling. Metaverse projects. The hype will come back. IOTA. Mediocre. Blocktopia has bad tokenomics. 200 billion? Damn. 200 billion? Max supply? Circulating supply is only 4%. Last gravity bong rip. I've never done a gravity bong rip, bro. What's the most tabs? I've never taken acid in my life. What do you think about KDA? Still don't see the unique value proposition there. What are they offering that all the others can't offer? You should. I saw a tweet today. I think it was, I forget who it was from. Maybe Lex Friedman. He said, if you can't say your entire investment thesis on a coin in one sentence, you don't know what you're investing in and you shouldn't be investing in it. I can tell you in one sentence why I'm in hbar. I can tell you in one sentence why I'm in XRP. Can you tell me in one sentence why you're invested in Cadena? Because some influencer told you it's the next 50x layer 1 or something? That ain't valid. Jerome Powell's speech. I'm not sure what happened with that. If it was today, let me check. FOMC. It's tomorrow. Damn. What? Yeah, the meeting's tomorrow. Wow, I was told it was today. Yeah, that's going to be interesting. All the stock earnings are coming out. Thursday is Apple earnings. Man, I don't know the stock market too well, man. My one sentence is Mason backs it. Don't trust me, though. You got to trust yourself. Trust yourself. Do you think Elon's tweet to McDonald's is about Grimace Coin, a coin made by McDonald's? No, I think they have a stupid a marketing manager. I think McDonald's has some idiot sitting behind the McDonald's account running up the numbers for his job because he has to run the McDonald's social media account. That's what I think. And that was confirmed. Like, I can show you. Somebody said, man, let me scroll through their replies. Oh, they're crowding their replies. They replied like, somebody replied like, yo, this is a new social media manager. And they said, yeah, like they confirmed it. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to find it. They're crowding this thing. They do so much replies. What the hell? But yeah, I don't care about anything McDonald's does until they accept Bitcoin or accept Dogecoin or something that actually matters. They had trouble hiring people. They had trouble hiring people. Well, we're basically sitting in a bear market right now, so there's lots of people that need jobs.
I was just telling that.
Tell me something about XLM. There's actually some stuff, like usually I would say there's nothing to say about XLM, but there is. XLM is getting smart contracts. Smart contracts are coming, man. They just released the announcement. Hold on. They also have a marketing grants program that just came out. 6 billion XLM. Stellar Development Foundation, marketing grants to support growth and user acquisitions towards projects built on Stellar. Basically, what you see right now is every coin like going into a foundation and then like putting marketing money up and like showing off like how much money they have to develop the ecosystem. Hold on, crypto ecosystems. 1 second. Fund. I need to type in fund. Wow, I'm coming up. Wow. Look at this. You have to, like, this is so underrated, folks. This is so underrated. What I just did on Twitter. Twitter search function. Here's a genius tip for you. I wanted to find the funding for ecosystems on cryptos, so I didn't type it into Google. No, I typed it into Twitter. And conveniently, I actually popped up with one of my tweets right here, which is crazy. But here we can see every single... You don't understand, Corey? Bro, Corey, you gotta watch the YouTube video. I break it down even more. Here's the, all the funding. As you can see, hbar has basically a $5 billion fund. So they allocated 10.7 billion hbar, which is no longer worth 5 billion, by the way. We can do the math on this. So if you had 10 billion, here, let's just do, okay, 10, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Is that 10 billion? 10 billion hbar, right? So how much is this worth in US dollars? So it's 2.1 billion now. But when they announced it, it was worth a $5 billion fund. You can see some of the other big funds. Near Protocol is 800 million. Binance Smart Chain has $1 billion. So what's happening is every coin is launching their own development fund to fund their ecosystem. Do you see how it's going to be a big war of these ecosystems? Do you see? See how each one is trying to compete? Like Avalanche has 180 million put up. Phantom has 370 or 220 million. You see? It's going to be a big battle to the death. My friend Trey wrote the lyrics for this song and Gaga stole them and he sued her and won. Damn. Did you see Paris Hilton's interview? Yeah, I saw a clip of it. My favorite part was when Jimmy Fallon pulled out the NFT of the Bored Ape and it's silence. It's silence. Like the audience didn't know whether to clap for a freaking ape. I'm not clapping for nobody's Bored Ape. That's just a monkey. How do you feel about Squiggles? I feel good about Squiggles NFT. I'm bullish on Squiggles NFT, man. Yeah. So, damn, what was I just talking about? Yeah, I'm not clapping for no Bored Ape. Huh? It's just an ape. It's not like mind-blowing art. It was so funny. The audience is like, do we clap for this shit? Do we clap for this shit? All sleeping on Algorand. I am not sleeping on Algorand. I've been talking about Algorand for like 9 months or something, 12 months. Been stacking Algorand for the same. XYO, basically dead. Well, not dead. I'm still like, how many percentages am I up here on XYO? Still. Let's see. Just because I was early, I'm still up 665% on XYO. 665%. Still. If you got in on my video, when I posted my first video about XYO, you're up the exact same amount. 660%. 660%. Still. So I'm like, that's what position you want to be in coins. One of those coins you can get into now, if you wanted to, is Fuse. I think you can end up in a position like that on Fuse. Cross wallet is dead, bro. I already told you. Still holding my bag. Basically held that to 0. It's at 4 cents right now. Wrecked with the rest of the market, just like ENS. Wrecked with the rest of the market. You gotta wait for the VCs to pump more money into that. Cross wallet was pretty much a bad call on my end. I will admit that. But it did have 2 initial mega pumps. Like mega pumps, which I did take profit on, and I was freaking transparent. When you see something pump, you need to take profit. Yeah, Fuse Network. Fuse Network is one that I believe that you could get into a position where you got in so early and held so long. Like with me on XYO, I just got in below a cent. I put my freaking money in and forgot about it. Well, personally, I didn't forget about it. Like, I kept tracking the news and everything with it and saw these monstrous pumps. Am I still bullish on EOS? I don't think I've ever said... The only reason I would have said that I'm bullish on EOS is because it has regulatory clarity. And because Peter Thiel's bullish exchange that he's launching looks like it's going to have support for EOS. Also, INX, another regulated exchange, has support for EOS. They like EOS for some reason. And I think it's because it has clarity. Okay? So that's the only reason I would be bullish on EOS. Nobody builds on EOS. Seems like it's just like a... It's just like a... It's like an off-brand type of thing. It's like buying the like off-brand. I don't know. It could go absolutely ballistic though. It has a weird chart. Like this chart is weird. Also, yeah, I don't know. I have no hate for EOS. It just seems like off a little bit. I don't know what's wrong with that. You talk about the crash. I talk about the crash every single day on YouTube. See, that's the thing about TikTok. I'm making like content about news on TikTok. On YouTube, you get a 15-minute curated video with market updates on the day. On the day. Did you create a new TikTok profile? No. Nope. Somebody says crash in quotations. If you're trying to say this isn't a crash, that is absolutely idiotic. If you're trying to say this is not a crash, we are currently down about 51%. Or we've went down 50% from the all-time high, which a lot of people, including me, have said that we think the bull market, we think the bear markets are not going to be initiated by 90, 80% crashes. If we had an 80% crash, that means that we would go all the way down below the previous all-time high. Like we would be going to, let me see. Let me just zoom out here and get the real number for you. If we had an 80% crash, we would go down to 13.6K. 90% crash would put us at 6.4K on Bitcoin. So before this crash happened, the general sentiment with most influencers was that these huge 80 to 90% crashes are done because of lengthening cycles and diminishing returns. And everything's more stable and solid now. And now we've seen a 50% crash, right? So if we do go to 80% crash, I'm like, holy shit, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Let's see. 90% crash. Unibright, I think I've heard of that. Immutable X is good. 2800, 800, you think so? You think the Shiba verse will be anything? Yo, I talked about the Shiba verse a little bit in my YouTube today. One thing I'll say about the Shiba metaverse. The Shiba metaverse, they have enough money to make it good. to make it amazing. They have enough money in the Shiba camp to make it amazing. If they come out with a subpar, mediocre metaverse, trash. I have no. They need to come out with something that's like amazing. What do you think about ETH dropping 2.0 branding? Did they do that? What do you mean? Dropping 2.0 branding? The branding creates a broken mental model for new users of Ethereum. That is facts. That's facts. Where else are we seeing this though? Ethereum Foundation kills ETH 2.0 in favor of consensus layer rebrand. Why did I not see this? Wait, what? This is smart though. Is being retired in favor of consensus layer. The rebrand reflects the fact that what's been called Ethereum 2.0 is really more of a network upgrade than a whole new network. I get it. It's smart. Because you know why? You know why I understand that? Because I've had a million people, not a million, but like I've had like at least 50 people ask me, like DM me on Instagram and Twitter saying, Mason, where do I get ETH 2.0? I'm like, oh shit. This is like, they think it's a new coin. It's not a new coin, right? It's not a new coin. So that is a smart rebrand. Because a lot of people are thinking like, yo, this is ETH 2.0. I got to stack some more ETH 2.0. But really, it's just Ethereum becoming better. I've had like 50 people, bro. Snapchat needs to do something with crypto to stay relevant. Facts, Cowgirl Crypto. Facts. ADA is not it, I agree. Can you read English? Thoughts on Solana? Under $100 was a good buy in my opinion, man. Hold on. Under $100 is still good. You gotta think, that's a 10x if you get to 1,000. Tagging Snapchat so they hire me for marketing. What are we expecting tomorrow? Well, the Fed basically has the market on a leash. Right in the palm of their hands. I don't want any surprises from the Fed. I don't want surprises. I want him to basically say what he said last time, which is so bad. Like, I just don't want any progress, basically. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I leave that up to the people who are better at macroeconomics than me and are actually, like, in that whole thing. It's very hard for a Canadian 21-year-old like me. Like, I haven't seen a lot of economic activity, you know? Like, I didn't start paying attention to, like, finance till 17. So all I hope with that meeting is that the Fed doesn't rug pull the market. Apparently this meeting just gives direction for like the next one as we go into the further months. What are talking about 50% crash? Ethereum was close, but Bitcoin only dropped 10,000. Just measure the crash from 69K, buddy. Come on. Take the ruler tool on TradingView. Go to 69K, bring it all the way down to the wick. Not even the wick. Bring it down to where we are right now. You'll see, whoa, we're at 50% down over 70 days, 75 days, right? Also, we have the S&P 500, you know, down. Doesn't look too good. Is Shiba dead, basically? So what I'm looking for on a psychological level from Shiba, what I'm looking for is the next piece of news that actually pumps it. That's what I'm looking for. And then we have a new bar. We have a new bar set. Okay, the news has to be this big for Shiba to pump. Because when you're dealing with Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, you're dealing with coins that just pump off of hype cycles. I would love to see you and an old traditional finance guy have a conversation. Yeah, that's my fucking dad every damn day. No, my dad he loves crypto. But he has the sort of old school thing of like not too much risk and all this bullshit, man. But yeah, that would be funny. But the thing is, I can't talk. I couldn't talk to someone like that. Like I wouldn't say I'm even allowed, because I don't know traditional finance as well as I know crypto. But he would probably not know crypto, you know. What's going on, Mason? Basically just dumping on Bitcoin. We had sort of a bounce, sort of a relief type of little relief happening, some green candles, slowing up the downtrend. If you go on Heiken Ashi candles, the downtrend, go to the 12-hour. Downtrend has kind of stopped here. Pepperoni, thank you. But still in a macro downtrend. It's not a fun market. All I'm hoping is that I'm hoping we go back and test 40K. That's all I want to see right now. But honestly, stay strong and just know, like, once we do pump back up, because the market doesn't stay like this forever, once we do pump back up, take some profit. If you didn't take any profit and now you're only like up 2% or 10% on some stuff, take profit. I wish I took more profit. Are you a hodler? I'm a hodler of some coins, and I'm a trader of other coins. Crypto firm, thank you. I think we'll test 30K before 40K. I agree. I think we'll test 30K before 40K. Yep, I agree. We need to complete this big M McDonald's formation. I don't know why you keep avoiding Quant. Is it a bad coin, or are you still bullish? What the fuck are you talking about, bro? I'm sorry. I can't deal with people who think that I lose conviction in a coin after 2 weeks. I have held XRP for 5 years. I can hold anything for a long time with no emotions. Forever. I'm capable of doing that. I'm holding Quant. It's the number one holding in my portfolio. Number one. The most money in my personal portfolio is in QNT. And I will put more if that thing hits a little bit less. Like if it goes to, I would say, under $100 Quant, buy immediately, buy. Whoa, on the 1 month, it looks like Quant has double bottomed on the 1 month. On the coin market cap, I would have to look at the actual candles. Under $100 Quant, buy. I want to see Quant go to like $50, and then I'm gonna go absolutely insane on that. The title of the live made me insta-check the market. Yeah, I just didn't change it. I mean, it's still valid. It's not clickbait. We're still in a crash right now. 50%. Double bottom means like double bottom. Like down, bounce. Now you've created one bottom. Right? Down, bounce. That's one bottom. Now we're bounced back up. Down, bottom, again, bounce. Thoughts on MetaHero? Let me see. You want to see which one Grayscale actually picks up? That's me too. Yeah, MetaHero 6 cents. Absolutely got wrecked with the rest of the market, as did everything. Looks like it's finding... It is... Hold on. No. There's a nice zone at 6 cents that looks... There's a nice zone at 6 cents. So I would be confident on this thing staying above 6 cents. Staying above 5 cents, actually. But man, I took profit on BitBoy's video, right? Shout out to you if you did that with me. BitBoy pumped the thing to 24 cents, right? He made a sponsored video. By the way, my MetaHero videos were not sponsored. I got them 3 million views for free. They did not pay me. None of that. I saw it as potential. It pumped like crazy, right? Then BitBoy did the sponsored video, got it up to 24 cents. I sold decent, substantial portion of mine. You know? Thoughts on Gala is great. Thoughts on Fed tomorrow. I already gave my thoughts on that. They got the market on the leash. I hope they don't do any type of rug pull surprises. Don't rug pull the market. I sold all my hero you put me on before the BitBoy pump. Before it? Is that a good thing? How do you feel about Doc? I still hold Doc. Actually, might have sold out all of my Doc. That one, I don't know. I forget. I got a lot of coins. Full moon analysis. Let's check it out. I've been not tracking that whatsoever. But looks like we're coming up on... See, the moon, the placements on the indicator that they actually place the moons is misleading. It's misleading. Because the price here is actually 43,000. Like, it's misleading because they're placing the full moons, or they're placing the full moons at the bottom and the new moons at the top. It's like making it look like it's real, but it does line up on some. It does line up on some. You know, but we have, when's the next, hold on. When's new moon? February 1, new moon in Aquarius. I think February 3, all planets go direct. That should be bullish. Mercury gets out of retrograde, I think. I don't know. It's all coincidental. I don't think it's coincidental. I don't think there's such a thing as a coincidence. I don't know, maybe your life has given you different things, but personally, in my 21 years, all that's been proven to me has been that there is no such thing as coincidence. Correlation, I like that, hold on. Yeah, correlation over causation, that's what Marin always says. Correlation over causation. The moon is not causing it, it's correlated to shit that was gonna happen anyways. Oh, that's so... Did she come up with that? Did she come up with that? Or is that like a normal idea that's been like... I don't know. I feel like she came up with that. Correlation, not causation. You really think astrology has something to do with the market? If you would have traded with $100,000, if you would have traded based on moon cycles this year, you would have been a millionaire. Idiot. You're an idiot. All of the Queen of England, she wins wars. They used to win wars with astrologers. Correlation does not mean causation. Facts. That's why I'm saying correlation over is greater than, like I'm saying it's not causation. The moon is not causing it. Right? The moon is correlated to it. So, there you go. Correlation doesn't equal causation. Yes, he didn't say that, you damn idiot. He said greater than. You know? It's not, they don't equal each other. Are you interested in freelancing work? No. I used to do freelancing work though. So, and if you're like very against astrology in finance, or if you're like doubting that is completely okay, because that's just one more tool that I have in my tool belt that you don't have because you want to deny it. You see? I just have one extra tool than you because you want to deny that. So you're like this. You're covering your own eyes. You're like this. You're just like, oh, wow. Boom. Cover their own eyes. You seem to have a master's in crypto finance. If that was a thing, I would go get it. I would go get the degrees. My first horse. So how do you use, I'm not going to explain how to use astrology. Go to Marin Altman for that. I will gladly tell you to go to her. How did you enjoy Miami? It was amazing. For a first experience, I think it was amazing. Stonkaholics, what up? I think it was amazing. The conference was amazing. I feel like I'm still recovering a little bit. You were a bit rude when people were against astrology. Not really. It's just so obvious to me that I have a lot of passion behind it. And that comes off as being rude. Right? Do you see that hbar will be involved in gaming platform? Really? Let's see. Where do you see that? Is that new or is it old? Envision for gaming? Tell me where you saw that. Did you hang out with Ragsy in Miami? Yes, she was there. She was there at the conference. Mac Lorden was also there. I met Mac Lorden. I met Demonic Crypto, Alex. And conversations with Evan as well was there. My moderator in here, Alt Mom Trades, was there. There was some good people there, man. I met a bunch of you guys too were at the conference, which was dope. Are we going to get rich off Ripple? Are you invested in Ripple? Or are you invested in XRP? That's the thing. Chat room, what do you think? The Millionaire Casino, I don't know what that is. Ripple is a company. Facts. Moon cycles have been more accurate than... Yes, Marin has been more accurate than basically every technical analysis person, bro. To each their own on astrology. Facts. What do you read here and there? Ever look at Crypto Panic? Yeah, Crypto Panic is what all these people use. You don't need crypto influencers if you have Crypto Panic. Barely. You don't need, like, that's the thing. I don't just report the news. I try to give my unique perspective on it and fit those puzzle pieces into the overall narrative. How was listening to Mark Cuban? Any cool insight? Mark Cuban was dope. He was kind of holding back a tiny bit, but he did trash on Bitcoin, which I enjoyed. And then he did mention Hedera. It wasn't in a positive light. It wasn't in a negative light. It was just a mention. Short squeeze is coming, it seems. I hope so. hbar 2.0 smart contracts, only 300 TPS. Why do I wear a hoodie in the summer? Yeah, January is not the summer in Canada. My favorite talk in Miami was Evan Luthra. Evan Luthra, not David Schwartz, because his was very robotic and stuff I already basically knew. You saw me at the Bitcoin conference? Hell yeah. Facts, farmers plant their seeds according to moon cycles. Exactly. Farmers plant their seeds according to moon cycles. The tide comes in and out according to the moon. Okay? Ask any nurse. They will tell you that the hospital is buzzing on a full moon. It's just facts. What was the other thing? Oh yeah, turtles. Turtles swim towards the moon. Why is all this stuff so correlated with the moon? The moon controls that liquidity. That liquid. That water. You're 70% water. Imagine if the moon can, from all the way out there, the moon can bring water back and forth. It can shake your shit up too. You're 70% water, bro. That shit is shaking you up. I bet any of you that have girlfriends, they go crazy on full moons. Guaranteed. They go crazy. Respect the rock. Push and pull of the moon. Who's your father? Darth Vader. Moon makes me FOMO buy. Moon makes me FOMO buy. If it can move the tides, it can pull tears straight from your eyes. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Can I speak to the manager? I ain't got no manager, and you'll never see Mason with a manager. Ever. Never. You'll never see me signed to a manager. Or having a... No. I put on all hats. I do the graphic design on my thumbnails. You know, I tweet. I make YouTube videos, which is long form content. I can live stream. I can freaking live stream with people. I make the short form content. You'll never see me. I make the promo deals. I deny the companies. I go over the deals. My wife goes nuts once a month. Yeah, you better check out that moon. What's up with the ring? This is an Aura ring. O-U-R-A. It's a sleep tracking and health ring. And I'm testing it out. Shows crazy insights on your heart rate. Your sleep. A bunch of stuff. Aura ring. Something in your life will change every time you cut your hair. Pay attention to that. Spot on. The hair is that DNA, man. Have you ever spent your coins except for NFT? No. Well, kind of. I bought some stuff on Bitcoin, with Bitcoin. How tall am I? 6'3". My friend has one of those rings and he loves it. How about Over Ledger? I feel like there's a new Over Ledger version coming out every single week. The science ain't sciencing. Yeah, when's the next conference? The next conference is April. Bitcoin Miami, the big kahuna one, where there's like a lot more people, right? You can go to that if you want. Use the link in my bio. Type in Mason 10 in all capitals, Mason 10, and you'll get 10% off your ticket. 10% off. Your WhatsApp link is broken. I don't fucking have WhatsApp. Don't fucking have WhatsApp. That's not me. If you're texting me on WhatsApp, that ain't me. If you're texting me on Telegram, that ain't me. You're getting scammed. But yes, next Bitcoin conference, it's like a 90% chance you'll be able to meet me there and see me. So get your tickets. The prices go up as time goes on. They've already went up once, so you got to get your tickets fast. Thoughts on Handshake? I'm still holding it. Do you think this is the start of the bear market? If it's not the start of the real bear market, we're in a mini bear market. There's no rules in this, dude. There is cycles, but Bitcoin does not have to follow the cycles. It can go wherever it wants to go, and it will go wherever it wants to go. We may be in a mini bear market here that just lasts a couple months. I hope that's what we're in. But we have tax approaching. What did you like about Evan Luthra's talk? I mean, the freaking title of it was crazy. I think the title of it was like hbar, XRP, and the New World Order? Something like that? I think it was something like that. It said the New World Order, and I'm like, oh shit, this guy been watching my damn videos? He was spot on. I watched Evan on his story today, or on his live stream or he bought a Bored Ape. Crazy. Someone always has a live the same time as you. I think it's going to last about 3 months also. I owe you Bonds breakfast. What is that? Bonds breakfast? Bearable Bull, glad you like Miami, my brother. Personally thinking alts are bullish. Thank you, man. Yes. Miami was amazing, man. Personally thinking alts are bullish? I hope so. I mean, we woke up to some pretty good green today. But hell yeah, it's nice to see you in the chat, man. The Mana logo looks like your YouTube intro. Yeah, a lot of people have said that. Why don't you buy a Bored Ape Yacht Club, because I'm not going to spend that much on a Bored Ape Yacht Club, man. Come on. I think it's honestly kind of late. It's like it's just a status type thing now of like, you're not going to... I don't know if you'll make money on it. I don't know. It's more of like a store of value type of deal. There's still a big flex though. But I feel like, I don't know. Bearish because Russia and everyone is reconsolidating their portfolios. Do you like Ethereum? Yes. Do you have any NFTs? Yes, I do. I have plenty of NFTs. Yeah. Plenty. Too much. In fact, about 90% of my NFT portfolio is worthless because it's illiquid. You need to be careful with NFTs because it's an illiquid market. It's like it's like real estate. Like if there's nobody that actually just wants to buy your house, you can't sell it. There's always people who want to buy your Dogecoin at any price, or not at the market price, right? You can't just go and sell an NFT if there's no demand on that project. That's why it's so important to be flipping these like instantly. Like, you get caught holding the bag. But overall, I'm extremely net positive on NFTs as a whole. Like I made 80K on Degen Apes and Pudgy Penguins. I made like 30. So overall, it paid off being in NFTs. But I mean, if you've just been buying random profile picture ones, you're probably going to lose all your money, man. Like some of them, like Sympathy for the Devils had the huge hype. You could have sold the top there. You could have sold at a profit there. The crypto bats have went up recently. Pudgy Penguins obviously was a good call. The Lazy Lions I made a bunch of money on. Not a bunch, but double. You finally purchased a Squad sweatshirt. Hey, send me a photo in it, man, when you get it. Access Metacores, I'm bullish. My portfolio is stacked. I can't wait to see actual progress on that. That's what I need to see is actual progress. Stop selling so much shit. Stop selling merch and selling all this shit. Come on, we funded you $2 million plus. We've given Access $2 million plus. They should be able to get some kind of working thing. Secondary market, like, come on. I don't know. Do you have merch? Yes, but I never talk about it because I'm not here to sell you clothing. But you can go to goldsquad.shop to find that. But yeah, I don't promote it at all. It's not even in the link in my bio. Meeting tomorrow for Access. Nice. Where do I get my crypto news from? Bloomberg. I pay for Bloomberg. Crypto Panic has everything else. You audio man, it's on Josh's... What? Can you see my questions? We can hear you talking on somebody else's... What are y'all talking about, man? Do you think the NFT and crypto market will drop? 30th time asking. What are you talking about? It's already dropped 50%. We've dropped. We've dropped. Your audio is on... Yeah, he's probably watching me. Probably just watching me. Man, y'all are weird as fuck, bro. Weird as fuck. Weird as fuck. Weird as shit, bro. UFO gaming is great. Little bit shaky. I don't know. It feels like it just rode the hype of that whole gaming and metaverse thing. I'm not that bullish. I am not that bullish on blockchain gaming. I'm just going to say it. I think Sandbox is extremely overvalued. I watched a video pointing out how it is, comparing it to Minecraft. And yeah, it was... I am not bullish. I don't see anything special about it except integrating payments and real money and NFTs into gaming, which I think the big companies will just do. They'll just do it. Like Microsoft just acquired Blizzard, I believe. Your audio is on another live group, Crypto. I don't care. Why are you spamming that in my chat? People get bored of games. Yeah, and no crypto game. There is no crypto game that I want to play right now. There's none. There's no crypto game that I want to play right now at all. There's none. Show me one that's like worth playing and shit, you know? Show me one that's worth playing, dude. I think those are way more risky. Blockchain gaming right now seems like a boring chore. Yes, it's more of like farming with like a game aspect in it. That's it. It's like, okay, you could just do some kind of yield farming and not like have to play a weird game. But I think that's one of the swallow up situations where like just big corporations will do their own version of that and it'll be infinitely better because they already have a user base. It's the same thing as the social media one too. The hardest part about launching a blockchain social media is getting an actual user base to move onto it. And it's going to be so hard. Like Clubhouse, well, that's going to be the hardest part. That's going to be the hardest part. And same with Audius. I think, like, why can't Spotify just do it? Watch those games turn into a damn sweatshop industry in the third world. Man, I mean, yeah, that's messed up. But if they are, hello?
Hi.
Do you invest in crypto?
What?
Do you invest in cryptocurrency?
Who's that?
Hey, why? We have this every time, bro. Where do they watch me on? Okay, what was I talking about? Oh, there's some upside to it. Like, as long as they're not like in a sweatshop, it's kind of like being worked to death. If they can just play the computer, it's a little bit better. You know? It's a little bit better. It's a little bit better if you can just play like a game on the computer. I don't know. But they could turn into that. Which is just like the survey thing of like people doing surveys for money and trying to make pass. Like, I think that's the route it actually goes. It'll probably get, I don't know. It either goes the way where you can make full-time incomes, or it goes the way where it's like the survey, like swag bucks type deal. But what I would love to see, because I used to make money playing Minecraft. Like I would sell in-game items for PayPal money. I would sell in-game items. Like I would have some kind of crazy item, some diamond sword type shit when I was like 14, 13. And I would sell it to people for PayPal money. Right? So it needs to be some big corporation that takes it, like Minecraft, making a whole secondary market where they already have this though. Like, I don't know. Block Ape Scissors is making cool games. Not really interested in that. PayPal money is just money. Facts. Where do you trade XRP with the delistings? Uphold, BitTrue. That's it. I will literally kiss you right now. You're in the wrong live stream. Do you think crypto will continue to decline? Yes, to 30K, 29K, 28K, there. Mason, the Minecraft investor. Do you think Axie Infinity is dead? Man, I never got involved with Axie Infinity. But I noticed it was on the grayscale list today. It was on the grayscale altcoin list. GTA is a metaverse. I like that. Okay, one of the biggest things that could explode the metaverse is GTA 6 being a legitimate, fully functioning, like, parallel to life. That shit has taken so long that it better be that at this point. Frickin' GTA 6 better be so integrated with real life that you can have a full-time income in GTA. Now, that gets so ethically wrong and so messed up fast. Because, like, I think they're really, like, in a hard position with that. Because if they make it so that you can rob banks in GTA for a full-time living in real life, that's messed up, bro. Now it gets into the debate is, like, are those real people in that metaverse? Like, are you harming people for your full-time income? Damn. It gets so bad there. Like, what if you could really make a full-time income, like flying helicopters and robbing stores in GTA, and somehow there's like NFT integration to where you actually own those cars as NFTs and you can sell them on the secondary market for real money? It's just about the link between video games and real life. That's what we need, is this bridge from video games to real life. But it does get messed up. It gets messed up. How would your life be on the line? People play GTA and rob people all day. I would just be sitting in a VR headset, sitting there robbing stores and earning an in-game currency, obviously, in GTA, but the bridge to the real world. And there's some of these bridges already, right? Like there's CSGO, Counter-Strike has sort of this bridge of real money into the game. And then it gets to the argument of like, okay, kids are going to be playing this, so is it child labor? If they're working, like if they're getting money in the game, how does that work? Like, damn. It's a whole freaking debate, man. We're at such a big crossroads in life. Have you seen the movie Game or No? Did you see the video of people crashing a VR wedding and massive fight breaks out? No, I don't want to see that. My next 3 moves, I don't know. Right now, I'm just chilling to see if we can go to this 30K. I'll probably buy a lot with some fresh fiat at 30K. If it continues down, I'd be surprised. Gamers basically what Web3 will be. Is Algo a good buy right now? Let's check it out. Algorand. 90, yeah, anything under $1, dude. Get in under $1, that's perfect. Get in under $1, that's perfect. Because at least if you keep going, you can still say, damn, I'm under $1. MetaPad, I don't know how I feel about metaverse launch pads. It seems kind of like it's capitalizing on the hype real quick. All right, we just had that is a high-level conversation about blockchain gaming. I hope you guys realize that. Like, that's a high-level conversation about blockchain gaming that nobody wants to talk about. I'm all about, like, the overarching ideas of this. The overarching ideas. What's the overarching idea of XRP? Well, it's to fix the freaking payment system, to upgrade and make the old system that people are going to be stuck in able to compete with our whole decentralized DeFi shit, right? Does your room? No, it smells. My room smells amazing, man. I got my. Let's show the Drake candle. I should light up the Drake candles. I got some Drake candles here. His overpriced candle brand. I got this one. Got this one. This one. What else we got? This. Incense burner. I got this. This was like $500 incense burner. You'll never catch me smelling bad. You'll never catch my room smelling bad, man. I smell good. Smell good. Somebody said, Moon Dancer, stop. What did you say? Your closet door just opened. Okay, yeah. Petition to ban Moon Dancer. I'm kidding. Closet door didn't open, man. BTC is pumping. Let me see. Are you capping? Nope, you're not capping. You're not lying. We're on a small uptrend on the 10-minute right now. That looks good. That looks real good. The aliens are coming. Do you like Takis? Yeah, Takis is one of my favorite chips ever. It is. Takis is like top 5 Mason chips ever. Like if you want to buy me some shit, buy me Takis, the purple bag. I'm opening a PO box. If you want to send me those, man. Holy shit, I eat the entire bag. Like I eat the entire bag. Altamamia, thank you. I eat the entire bag. Doritos, somebody said Doritos Cool Ranch? What the Oh, we gotta do a chip tier list. You know, like the tier list? We gotta do that. Doritos Cool Ranch, I would never pick that over anything, dude. Damn, those are trash compared to everything else. Okay, we can't be on the chips talk because I'll go off forever. You're gonna pay for it in your 30s? That's facts. That is facts. Yeah, I like spicy chips, man. Hey, Takis, you better sponsor. Do you know any blockchain YouTube alternatives? BitChute, kind of. Odyssey, kind of. That's all we got right now. Odyssey, BitChute. Yeah, I'm definitely a big fan of like salty snacks. Like 100%. Flaming extra hot. Solana's starting to pump. Yeah, I think everything's pumping right now. Hold on. Let's see. Can we get to that 1.7 trillion? Can we get to 1.7 trillion? Salt and vinegar chips. I agree. Altmon, thank you. I like Coin Bureau. Thanks for telling me. I like him too. Coin Bureau mentioned me on a TikTok article. Like when I had 70K followers. So I respect him. And he makes timeless videos, which is hard to do in crypto. Ketchup chips. Coke or Pepsi? Coke. 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 Thoughts on the Weeknd's new albums? It's amazing. I can't believe that it didn't do bigger numbers, but I get it because it looks like, let me tell you something. It looks like Kanye West, The Weeknd, and Drake both down, or all three down. It looks like they didn't care about commercial success this time. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. All three of them. Drake with Certified Lover Boy, Kanye with Donda, and The Weeknd with Don FM. It looks like all three of them said F commercial success, we're dropping good music. I could go on about music forever though. Hathor is amazing. From what I've seen, there's no problems on Hathor for me. One problem, the logo looks like hbar. Super hbar vibes. hbar vibes. They probably don't care because they've already established themselves. Yeah, I think they know the game is changing a little bit. And I want my favorite artist, The Weeknd, to go full Prince mode and drop like 30 albums. That's what I want. So I don't care about his commercial success. He was better without commercial success. But I know I like him any time of the day. Pause. Second YouTube today was fire, baby. Thank you. 2 YouTube videos today. Two full YouTube videos, full live stream, 7 TikToks. How much TikToks did I post? Multiple tweets. We had a full day of goodness today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. 5 TikToks today, 2 full YouTube videos, full TikTok live stream. Are you on WhatsApp contacting people? Fuck no. You're talking to a scammer. F no. What do you think about Sologenic NFT marketplace? Will you be buying something? Are they making a actual marketplace, or are they sticking with their tokenized stuff? I think that's very bullish. I think that the XRP NFT space needs an OpenSea. Like, did y'all see my video about OpenSea and Solana? If that happens, dude, the most powerful move OpenSea can make is to start accepting all networks. That's most powerful. That would kill all other NFT marketplaces. I think they're on the way to do that. Sol will do ETH numbers. What does Bitcoin look like on Market Cypher? Hold on. 1 hour. Okay, let's start with a 10-minute. 10-minute looks amazing. 10-minute looks amazing. Beautiful. Like, I'm talking like break through this resistance at 37,464. That's how I'm talking on the 5-minute. 5-minute looks beautiful. 10-minute looks beautiful. Looks like we can hit 38K. See if it happens. Zooming out to the 1 hour. 1 hour also looks freaking beautiful. There's no red money flow. It's weakened. Momentum wave starting up. Looks amazing to me. 4 hour. 4 hour still in red money flow. I should just show it. Hold on. Why am I not showing it? Here you go. See? Oh my, it's happening. See on the 4 hour, these are converging, the EMAs. You can see all these EMAs. Market Cypher uses 8 EMAs in a combined type of like wave formation that it makes it easier to read it. And when they get far apart, you know, the trend is more volatile. And when it's gray, it's bearish. So you can know if we're in a bearish trend by the gray. So we've been bearish for a long time. But what you can see right here is the lines start to converge and go blue. There actually is one EMA band that is blue there. Okay? One EMA band that's blue. You can kind of see it behind there. So possibly we start bullish there, but we also did on the 4 hour flash this reversal. I believe that was about 5 hours ago though. This is a reversal which, as you can see up here, perfectly played out. Right? We're heading up for a couple hours and then absolutely dropped. Reverse the trend. But sometimes Market Cypher is wrong on here. So I don't trust this unless it has it on other time frames, which it doesn't. Right? 4 hour, 12 hour doesn't have one. 6 hour. So only the 4 hour showing that. So I don't trust that yet. But this looks good, but still money flows in the red. So I want to see this money flow start to go up and get weak, how it looks on the 1 hour. Notice 1 hour has none, right? Only thing I don't like is a bear flag on the daily. True. It's kind of hard to see on Heiken Chiz. But once you go Heiken Chiz, you don't go back. So that's what Bitcoin looks like on the money flow. Looks rare marketplace. I staked my bag and I forgot about it. Let me block that guy. Spamming doges of Elon shit. What's my last 3 moves? What do you mean? Thoughts on INX security token news in Canada? I didn't see that. Am I an MJ fan? Yes. You need to do a haunted tour in Miami? Okay, no. No, I don't. I don't know. Why? No. Why? I reached out via Insta to jump on podcast. Man, I probably didn't see your message, bro. Yeah, I don't really do podcasts too much. I've been on a couple. I don't know. I don't really collab with much people, man. Are you in Tron? No, but the Tron people did come up to me at the Bitcoin conference. The Tron people. There was Tron representatives there. The Tron Foundation people, they came up to me and like gave their card and stuff. They're very nice. You look exactly like the guy who's into every crypto. That could not be further from the truth. Would you recommend Bitcoin Miami? Yes, I would. XO till we overdose? Hell yes. Is YouTube really integrating NFT features? I think they will. I think they will. The last 3 tokens you bought, Fuse, Quant, and Algorand. Fuse, Quant, Algorand. Gold and silver are still a good safe haven, yes. Yes. I feel like it would be irresponsible to give my true thoughts on that. I'll just say yes, because there's no arguing with it, really. Like, I've never met anybody who's, like, against gold and silver until I met myself. I'm not against it, but I'm just like, why? Why? We have a booming tech bubble here, and you're not participating? We have coins doing 5x's overnight, and you're trying to stick your money in gold? Gold is wealth preservation, not wealth creation. Bitcoin as well is wealth preservation now, not wealth creation. Do you think leaving coins on Uphold is stupid? Kind of. I don't really know how much I can trust Uphold, but it is a good exchange. I don't know how they're still offering XRP. Maybe they get in big trouble for that eventually, but I don't know. Don't leave anything. It depends how much it is and how frequent you're trading it and stuff, you know. You buying in or waiting? Alt Mom is yawning. Hey, you could always leave the live. I'm kidding. Check your Twitter messages. I sent you a link to this. Okay, let me see. Great find by Danny. Gamalamo is building a monster gaming platform on Hedera. Interesting. There's always a token though, man. Somebody builds something with no token. Oh, Mom, that was a joke, by the way. Did you recommend a wallet? I think it's called Ledger. Yeah, you can get a Ledger with the link in my description or my bio. It helps me out. Are you moving to Dubai like the rest of the crypto influencers? Shit, I want to. Man, Canada's depressing, bro. No cap. Canada's depressing. I think also just Miami's like a dopamine central, and it really like peaked my dopamine levels. Then I come back to like rainy ass, cloudy ass, cold ass, boring ass Canada. As soon as I got back, I'm like, whoa, it's such a different vibe here. Yawns are contagious. Am I banned? Miami kicks tail? Why do you talk so weird, Moondancer? Kicks tail? Why do you think the market is going to crash? I don't think it's going to. I think it already crashed. 50% is a freaking crash. We've been crashing. 50% down is a crash. That's a crash. That's a crash. So maybe we go to 30K. Sorry. You lost 5,000. Damn. History shows that if you just hold, you'll be back up. What a Mormon thing to say. Moondancer, are you a Mormon? Market could crash another 20%. Be careful. Facts. True. All right, I'm about to hop off here, though. I appreciate all of you. Big love. Make sure you're following on Instagram. Follow my Twitter. All the links in the description. I was using Market Cypher as my indicator. If you want to buy Market Cypher indicator, I've already made my money back personally on it. Go enjoy the Q&A on my story on Instagram. I answered a bunch of questions. Some of them are good questions and some of them are weird questions. Go on there. Go check out the Q&A. Get yourself a Ledger Nano X. Link in my bio. Get yourself some Bitcoin Miami tickets. You can come meet me there. Hell yeah. 2 YouTube videos today. 5 TikToks. Twitter flooded with nice tweets. Boom. Big day of just like, you can learn so much today. I explained the entire Ripple buyback, the entire shit. Cypress, thank you. All right. Goodbye. I love you all. And peace out, folks.